Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to use Pro Siri or Siri Pro with ChatGPT. In this tutorial, you'll be able to ask it for questions and talk to it, and it won't give simple, bland answers like the way Siri does, just by sending links and saying, here's what I found on the web. And instead, it'll send you an actual answer. Like, for example, you ask it for the recipe of a cake you want to make, and it will tell you the recipe instead of just normal Siri giving you links to websites. So let's get started. The first step is opening your ChatGPT account. So let's go to Google. So you will see this. Where do I find my secret API key? So let's just tap on that, and then tap on this user settings, and it will take you to a link where you can look for your API key. But since I don't have an account, I'm not gonna go through the trouble of making one, and I'm just gonna walk you through it. So once you have your API key that you create, you can go ahead to shortcuts, tap on that, and then I'm actually gonna send you a link, or I'm gonna have a link in the description that gives you this shortcut that I'm about to show you. So if you tap on the link, you will see this. Tap on add shortcut, and then tap on the three dots, and you can change this, which you should change it to Pro, so when you say hey Siri Pro, it'll activate. So basically, just add the key here, API key here, and here, and here, and that's pretty much it. Also, for this, if you say hey Siri Pro, it'll reply with this. So you can go ahead and edit it, say yes or what's up, just simple things. So when you say hey Siri Pro, it will activate and then say what's up, and you can use it as a ChatGPT shortcut. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.